What is your message for shareholders?
We are very sure presently our prices are not really reflecting the true valuation. I'm sure if you compare with our peers, you will be able to agree with my comment. And in next 8 quarters, I'm sure what we are doing, you will be reflected on the stock exchanges also, on the stocks prices also. So please be with us and definitely support. We are management is taking it's all the due responsibility and pains to take care and responsibly implement the expansion project, which will be completed right on the schedule and the time, and within the arena of 4 to 6 quarters you will start seeing the very positive and good movement of the share prices. That's my advice and request to all the shareholders.
How do you visualize your company 3 years from now?
MB is targeted to have the largest market share globally. That is what is our ambition presently for the FIBC segment, and we want to be one of the market leaders for geotextile and canal liners and water conservation products in the domestic segment. As you know, water is one of the biggest challenges this country. So water is one of the largest opportunity. So our biggest task 3 years down the line, we want to see that MB has to be synonym with the water conservation in this nation.
What are the triggers in boosting the demand for your product?
Actually, there is a major shift, as I explained to you previously. The shift itself is triggering the demand, plus the new products what MB is launching continuously, like flexible tank or a thermos, flexible thermos, which we have recently produced and launched. The new products will bring the new customer bases, which will trigger the growth.
Any other highlight or important point you would like to mention?
Our geographical, topographic and India's specific locational advantage will take MB to much larger stature than what you can see today. I'm sure you were always with us, and for the next 2 years, if you watch us, MB will be providing you a major growth and growth headroom for today, and will come up with absolutely fantastic results as well as product lines in time to come. Thank you, sir.